Today, I'll show you how to do your Cointree crypto taxes. Hello, my name is Nelly. Welcome back to another wallet integration video. Today we're talking about Cointree and how to do your crypto taxes with the help of Koinly. So I'll tell you a little bit about this Australian exchange, then I'll jump into the very simple integration, and then I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. Lastly, leaving you with a bunch of different resources if you need further assistance. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So Cointree was founded in 2013 and it's based out of Melbourne, Australia. They don't have too many crazy features. Most of their stuff is related to spot trading. They do have an interesting area where you can see other people's portfolios, and you can even see the best performing portfolios in the last 7 days, last 30 days, and so on. But obviously all good investments require your own research, so make sure to do that before buying anything. Okay, so that's enough about Cointree. Let's go into the integration part of this video. Firstly, go into your wallets area of Koinly, and if you don't have a Koinly account, obviously you can create one completely free and follow along until you're ready to purchase a plan. So anyways, going into the wallet section, you can click on Add Wallet and then type in Cointree, and it should be the first one that pops up. So you have two different options. I'll show you both. First, we have the setup auto sync with the API, and then we have the import from file method. So let's start with the API first. So for the API, we're looking for the key and the secret. So logging into your Cointree account, obviously go into the top right corner and click on settings. And then from here, we're gonna click on API keys, give it a name, a display name, something like Koinly. For access, we're only interested in read only. So we're gonna click generate API key, and it should give us our keys. Hopefully this actually is not going to take that long. Okay, cool. So we have our API key. Make sure to copy and paste that here. And then we also have our secret. Make sure to copy and paste that there. And then click secure import. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so if you'd like to go down the CSV file route, no problem. You can do that as well if you don't want to use the APIs. So go back to add wallet, type in Cointree, and then click on import from file. So we're looking for a few different files. We're gonna go into wallet, and then we're gonna click on transactions. And as you can see, there already is a Koinly integration. If you like to click this, it basically takes you through the API steps that I kind of already explained. But if you wanna go down the CSV file route, under all transactions, there is an export button. We're gonna click on that. And there's two different CSV files that we're looking for. We have the export orders, and we have the export transactions, making sure that those include your entire transaction history from beginning to end, because sometimes these files might be limited to 3 months or a year. So less than a year. So you might have to get a few of them. And obviously if you've had Cointree account for many years, you want your entire transaction history. So every single one of your transactions into Koinly. And the reason is because you need to calculate, or Koinly needs to calculate, your capital gains. So they need, from the date you purchased something to the day you sold it, which, could be years apart, in order to be able to get that capital gains information. So take those files, drag and drop them into Koinly, click import, and there you have it. You have two different ways you can import your Cointree data into Koinly. Once you're happy with all that information, go into the transactions area and kind of take a look underneath the hood of what's going on here. Koinly has done the most difficult part, which is calculate your capital gains and losses. If you have any type of staking, make sure to tag that here. So sent to pool, sent from pool. I've made videos on that as well. Once you're happy with that, go into the tax reports area, and here you get a final summary of your crypto activity throughout the year, your capital gains, your income, your costs and expenses, gifts, donations, anything else. And then once you're happy with that, scroll on down and select a tax report appropriate for your needs. And on the screen before you, there are plenty of different documents you can choose from. The one that you're probably gonna be most interested in is the ATO tax report. So for Australians, that's the one you want. For Canada, Germany, other countries, you might want the complete tax report, which, keep in mind, is a document you can print off and give directly to an accountant, and they can combine it with your other tax documentation to submit. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, check your country's rules and regulations, because this tax report might be deductible. That'll about do it for today. If you need further assistance, I'm going to leave a bunch of different resources down below. Koinly Help Center has plenty of different crypto tax related articles. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. We have a forum section if you want to talk to members of our community as well as our staff. And then lastly, we have a contact section. You can send us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. But I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.